What's good, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making some sweet potato cornbread, and believe me when I tell you that this is not no dry ass cornbread recipe. This joint is very moist because I cannot stand being served some dry cornbread. I'm like, you could have just gave me a bowl of croutons, but that's besides the point. Let's get into the video. So first we're going to add in some melted butter, then we're going to add in some raw sugar and some light brown sugar, then we're going to add in some maple syrup. I added this at the end. I forgot to add it at this part, so that's why I just put a little clip of the maple syrup, but you guys get what I'm saying. And then we're going to add in our eggs one at a time. Then we're going to add in our mashed sweet potatoes. Then we're going to add in some ground allspice and some ground cinnamon. Then in a separate bowl, we're going to mix our cake flour, all-purpose flour. Oh. Alright, let me try that again. We're going to mix our cake flour, all-purpose flour, baking soda, baking powder, and salt together. Okay, got it. Now we're going to add in our cornmeal. Then we're going to put that on low speed and just like mix that up together. Then we're going to add in our flour. And then we're going to add in our buttermilk. And then we're going to add our flour. And then we're going to add buttermilk. And just keep doing that until everything's finished. Can y'all comment down below and let me know what type of videos you guys want to see? I already have like a huge list of videos that, I want to do. But I want to know what type of videos you guys want to see. So let me know in the comments down below, please. And I will add that to my list. Alright, later. Bye. Back to the video. So now we are done. You don't want to overmix this. You actually don't want to overmix anything that you're about to bake. But yeah, now we're done. I know they say not to eat raw batter, but I always have to give it a little taste because I love sweets. And so far, nothing has happened to me yet from eating raw batter. But anyway, we're going to get a cast iron skillet. We're going to butter this up and then we're going to bake it. Put your oven at 400 and we're going to bake it for like 30 to 40 minutes. And now we're going to bring TikTok to YouTube. Boom. Okay. Now, once it's out of the oven, we're going to put some honey on it. Make sure you do this while it's hot. And just spread that around. I like my cornbread sweet. So this is what we're doing. And it adds a little like gloss to it. Almost forgot to mention this, but when you guys are baking this, make sure you put it at the bottom rack and not at the top rack because I would have burnt mine if I wasn't looking at it. But yeah, that's just a tip I wanted to give you guys. And yeah, this is what it looks like afterwards. I put some butter on top. Gonna eat it with some milk. And this is no cap. Like, joint is mad moist. If yours come out kind of dry, you gotta do this over. You probably didn't do something right. I had to pull up with the Carfax to really show you guys how moist it is. I know I keep saying that. But yeah, this is how moist it is. I'm pretty sure you can see from this video. So yeah, that's the end of this video, you guys. I'm gonna go finish the rest of my day. I'm gonna go make some coffee, catch up on my crime shows, catch up on my 600-pound life, and I will see you in the next video. Later, guys.